How to create gaze chart in CapCut. The first thing you want to do is open up CapCut on your laptop or PC. Now click on the Create Project option or open the existing project. Click on the Stickers option at the top. From this list, you want to select Charts, which is available in the CapCut free version. Now you want to click on this Gaze Chart option over here. It's going to look something like this. You have two options over here, so you can pick whichever you prefer. Next thing you want to do is enter the data format requirements. For this, enter the type and value. Now head over to the Settings tab. From here, you can enter a suitable title. You can also change the font and font style. You can also change the data selection from here. Next, you can head over to Style and Animation tab. From here, select Themes. You can also adjust the gaze chart details such as inner radius, outer radius, start angle and end angle. Then you can change the colors and background from here. For background, you can change the opacity and width. Once you're happy with the results, click on the Add to Timeline option. Then you can complete the rest of the editing process. And in this way, you can create a gaze chart in CapCut. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.